the suggestion I have for you is to break up your triangles, okay, in order to solve. It says determine the height of AC. So here's AC right here. And then that means DB right here. So my thoughts are this. Put down the triangle over on the side somewhere over here. Okay, so I'm right here. I have A, C, and B, and I have 66 degrees. I have nothing else other than that. So to solve for AC, I need to find a side. Now, does the second triangle, the one down here, give me an opportunity to find a side that's going to allow us to solve that triangle? So here's what I have. I have 45 degrees. Basically, what I'm looking for, is there a common side? Okay, what's the common side between these two triangles? BC. So that's the starting point right there. I need to find that so that I have that, and then I can find AB. All right. What's the first thing I should find in that bottom triangle? Third angle. That's right. Awesome. So I've got 180 minus 45 minus 55. What does the third angle equal? So I have 80 degrees right there. So now that I have the third angle, I can use my law of sines to find out what BC is. So x over the angle across from it, sine 45, equals 50 over sine 80. All right, so solve for x. Get your calculators out. Let's solve for x.
Where's my calculator?
Okay, find out what x is.
$35.901.
35.901. Okay, so that means that right here is 35.901. Now, one of the things that somebody did earlier last week was, because we were focused on sine laws, they used the sine law to actually solve for this triangle. You can use it. It's more work, but you can use it to get that right there. You could use the sine law, but it's not necessary. Because why? Well, what do we notice about that top triangle? What's the one thing that glaring in the top triangle? It's a right angle triangle. So at that point, you can use sine, cos, or tan. So if that's what we're going to do, where is y in relation to 66? Opposite. Where is 35.901 in relation to 66? Adjacent. So which trig function is opposite over adjacent? Tan. 66 equals y over 35.901. Y equals. So take that 35.901 that you have left on your calculator and times it by tan 66.
$80.63.
630.
465.
And again, we're going to write everything to 3 decimal places. There's your answer. The simplest way to do the questions is to take the triangles apart. There will be some commonality between the triangles in order to help you find out what the solution is on the final triangle. Okay. That's all I have. That's all I wanted to do with you today. Take a look at 3.2 and 3.3. Were there any questions in there that we want to go through today? Any questions today from 3-2 or 3-3? None? Okay, you have the remainder of class. Let's get on to 3-4 today. So that means complete 3-3.